Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn with Anhad, where I make electronics simple and fun. In today's video, we'll start with a super basic but exciting project, lighting up an LED on a breadboard. This is a perfect project for beginners who are just getting started with electronics. For this project, we'll just need a few components. We need a breadboard, an LED, a 330 ohm resistor, 2 AA batteries and a few jumper wires. Don't worry if you're new to any of these. In this series, I'll guide you through everything step by step. In this first video, we'll take a closer look at the breadboard, the heart of this project. I'll explain how it works and how we can use it to build circuits without soldering. So what is a breadboard? A breadboard is a special board used to build and test electronic circuits without needing to use a soldering iron. It has a lot of small holes arranged in rows and columns where you can stick legs of components like lights, resistors and chips. The holes are connected inside the board, so when you put parts in the same row, they are connected to each other. You can also use the sides of the board to add power and ground for your circuit. The best part is that you can take the parts out and put new ones in easily, so it's great for trying out different ideas and fixing problems with your circuit. So, how does it work? Inside the breadboard, there are wires that connect different holes of the breadboard together. The lines on the diagram show where the wires are in the breadboard. So, as you can see, in the yellow lines here, this is where the wires are inside. So like over here, everywhere over here is connected. So this is where you put your main components like the LEDs, resistors and things. Over on these rails, these are called the power rails. This is where you add the current and battery power inside. So if I put the energy through here, in this hole there, I can always pick it up from any other part as long as it's in the same row. So if I connect a LED over here, then I can always add a resistor on the same row. So this way we can build our circuit by changing the location of jumper wires on the breadboard. Breadboards help us to make and test prototypes. Once tested, we can solder our components to have an electronic gadget. Isn't that fun? We will complete this simple LED circuit in our next couple of videos. By the end of this series, you'll not only have a glowing LED, but also a solid understanding of how to use a breadboard and other basic components. So grab your tools and let's dive in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.